Have you ever thought about starting your small factory from home or your backyard? And that too without spending a lot of money. In this video, I will show you 10 amazing machines that can help you start your own business. I will tell you what these machines do, how they work, and how much you can earn from them. Many big companies use machines like these to make great profits. But the best part is, you don't need a big space or a huge investment to begin. You can start small and grow step by step. So if you are looking for a simple way to start your own business and make good money, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Wooden pallets are used everywhere for storing and moving goods. A pallet making machine helps you produce strong pallets quickly without needing a large space. Why this business is a good choice. The demand for pallets is high in warehouses, factories, and shipping companies. The cost to make each pallet is much lower than the selling price, which gives you a good profit. This machine is easy to operate and perfect for starting a small-scale business. Nails are one of the most important things used in construction, furniture making, and packaging. You do not need a big factory to start making them. With a nail making machine, you can easily produce nails even in a small workshop or your backyard. The machine works automatically. You just put steel wire into the machine. It cuts the wire, makes the nail head, and sharpens the tip by itself. How much can you earn? The cost to make one nail is less than 1 cent. You can sell each nail for 5 to 10 cents depending on the size and how you pack it. Why this business is a good idea. It needs a small investment but gives good profit. The machine works fast and makes thousands of nails every hour. The machine is small in size so you can use it even if you do not have a big space. The market for nails is big because many hardware stores, construction companies, and online shops need them. Fences are always needed for homes, farms, and construction sites. A fence-making machine turns steel wire into strong mesh fences quickly and easily. Why this business is a smart idea. Fences sell at a much higher price than the cost of the raw wire. You can also offer extra features like rust protection to increase your profit. The machine is easy to use and great for starting a business with less investment. PU foam is used in many things like furniture cushions, wall insulation, and packaging. The good news is that making PU foam products is not very hard if you have the right machine. The PU foam injection machine works by mixing 2 chemical liquids. When these liquids mix, they turn into soft foam that grows and fills the shape of the mold. This foam becomes hard after a little time and is ready to use. Why this business can make good money. PU foam is needed in many industries, like construction and furniture. The raw materials for making the foam are not expensive, but the products sell at a good price. You do not need a large space to start this business because the machine is compact and easy to set up. You can make different products like wall panels, cushions, or foam parts for packaging. This is a great business idea for people who want to start with a small investment and grow step by step. Wooden sticks are an essential part of many industries, like food packaging, barbecue tools, and crafts. This machine helps you make smooth and perfect wooden sticks from raw wood. The process is very simple. You put the wooden logs into the machine. The machine cuts the wood, shapes the sticks, and polishes them to give a fine finish. The cost to make one wooden stick is very low. The selling price depends on the size and how you pack the sticks. Why this business works well, there is always a high demand for wooden sticks. They are used by restaurants, ice cream makers, and packaging companies. The machine does not need much space, and it is easy to use. You can start small and grow your business by selling to local shops or online customers. When people think about making bricks, they usually imagine a big factory, many workers, and large machines. But now, one small brick-making machine can do the same job easily. This machine uses a special method called vibro pressing. It does not need fire or kilns to make bricks. You just mix cement, sand, and water and put the mixture into the machine. The machine uses pressure and vibration to make strong bricks and blocks. Why this business is a smart choice. You save money because there is no need for expensive heating or a large team of workers. The machine is small, so you can set up production in a small space. The bricks made with this machine are strong like traditional ones and are perfect for houses, walls, and other construction projects. This business is good for small entrepreneurs who want to enter the construction market with less investment and stable profits. Animal feed is made by mixing grains, corn, vitamins, and proteins. A feed-making machine turns these raw materials into pellets, which are easy to store and feed to animals. Why this business works well. Animal feed is always in demand. You can use this machine for your farm or sell the feed to others. You can also make special types of feed like organic or gluten-free to earn more. The machine is simple to use and does not need a big setup. Fiberglass rebar is now replacing steel rebar in many construction projects. It is lighter, does not rust, and is easier to transport. Why this business has great potential. This machine makes strong fiberglass rebar that builders prefer because it is safer and cheaper to use than steel. The demand for fiberglass is growing fast, and this business needs less space and lower transport costs compared to steel rebar. At first glance, metal scrubbers may seem like a simple and cheap product, but people who have started this business know that there are many important details to understand. The scrubber making machine works automatically. It takes stainless steel wire and turns it into scrubbers by cutting, coiling, and shaping the wire. There are a few common mistakes in this business. The first mistake is thinking the process is very simple. Yes, the machine does most of the work, but choosing the right raw material is very important. If the wire quality is bad, the scrubbers will either be too rough and damage surfaces or too soft and break easily. The second mistake is believing that it is always a cheap business. While the production cost is low, the real profit comes from good packaging and smart marketing. The third mistake is assuming that selling scrubbers is easy. Many big stores only buy from trusted suppliers. New businesses often find it hard to enter these markets. What is the best way to succeed in this business? The smart option is to sell scrubbers in bulk to small shops, local markets, and online customers. This helps you build your brand step by step and avoid big competition in the beginning. When wood comes directly from the sawmill, it is often rough, bent, and uneven. Using such wood in furniture making or construction becomes difficult because the pieces do not fit properly and the final product does not look professional. A wood thicknesser machine helps you solve this problem. The machine takes raw wooden planks and makes them perfectly smooth and even in thickness. This makes the wood ready for use in making furniture, doors, frames, or any kind of wooden product. Why this business is a smart option. Many carpenters, furniture makers, and construction workers need smooth and even wood for their projects, but most of them do not have this machine. You can provide this service in your local area and charge customers either per piece or per cubic meter of wood. This business is simple to start. All you need is the thicknesser machine and a small workshop. You can easily process several cubic meters of wood every day, which means this business can give you a stable daily income with low investment. I hope these business ideas and machines gave you a clear plan on how you can start your own small setup and begin earning from home. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This way, you will not miss the next part where I will show you even more smart business ideas and machines. If you have any questions or want to know more about any of these machines, feel free to leave a comment below. I will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.